Happy spring and goodbye winter. And for many Oklahomans, it's time to hope for better weather patterns. The Oklahoman's Brian Painter is looking at how the drought has impacted Oklahoma farmers. For example, in the Altus area, rainfall recorded at that Mesonet site is over 51 inches below normal since October of 2010. Drought affects agriculture, drinking water supplies, and in other ways that water is used, not to mention that it can be discouraging.
It just seems like that's every storm or rain that comes up, it just kind of goes around to the south or north or just disappears before it gets here. It's getting kind of depressing.
So as we head into Oklahoma's typically rainy spring season, as the Oklahoman's Brian Painter writes, the farmers around the state are hoping they are one day closer to the next big rain.
When you see the amount that your wells are putting out dropping and you see these tumbleweeds blowing and stuff like that, what carries you through?
All the determination and faith that I have in God, and I'm pretty stubborn and hard-headed, and I'm not going to give up.